Good morning, y'all. Oh, well, hey y'all, welcome back to another Vlogmas. For today's video, I'm really excited about. It may not look like it because it's still super early in the morning. I'm still trying to wake up a little bit. But okay, I have been looking at this house on Zillow, and at first I just drove past the house one day when I was like on my way to run an errand while I was at work, and it like caught my attention, so I looked it up on Zillow and it was for sale. Based on the pictures, it looks really nice. It's not on a floodplain, older build. It's been renovated and everything, in which I usually don't like older houses. I prefer something modern, but I like the overall look of the house. The garage is detached, which is like one of the main things that I love about older houses. But yeah, so long story short, the house went off the market saying that like a sale was pending, and I drove back by to actually get the realtor's information before I noticed that, and like there was a moving truck in the driveway and all of this. So I'm like, okay, somebody got the house. Then something tells me, like last week, something tells me drop back by the house again. The for sale sign is back in the yard. Like, okay, so I get back on Zillow. It's listed again. So I got in touch with the realtor. I'm going to go look at the house today. Y'all, I'm so excited. I mean, it's like, if I don't like the house, oh well, like there's plenty of houses, but like it's exciting to like be getting the process started. Like I've already like started applying for loans. Well, I applied for one and I got pre-approved, so I know like what I'm looking at, like what my down payment needs to be like and all that. Like y'all, I'm really out here being a big girl. So yeah, that is where we're headed to. I don't know if I'm gonna stop and get anything to eat on the way there, but I'll see y'all when we get there. Okay y'all, so we just got here. Here is like the outside of the house. I didn't want to go too far out because if I actually do end up moving here, y'all don't need to know what like the whole exterior of the house looks like. But when you first walk in, you have the hallway here that leads into like the living room, and then the dining area is this way. There's no lights on here. Boom. There we go. Kitchen. I like the countertops and the backsplash. It's a good color scheme, but there's no island. That's the only thing. Stainless steel appliances. Pantry. Wait, if that's the dining area, I don't know, I guess there's more than one. There's a half bath here. Toilet, sink. I like the bowl sink and the countertops again. Mirror. And let me see where the lights are. I didn't turn on any lights. That ain't it. Okay, boom. There's half of them. Here's the living room area. The floors look hardwood, but it's actual tile, so it'll hold up longer than like regular vinyl. You can see the bar from over here is open. Countertops again. Fireplace, which I couldn't remember if it had one or not, but that's a big plus. And then the wall here behind it is actual brick, so that's good, heavy duty. And the ceiling goes up in like curves at the top, so. And then through here is the master bedroom. And the bathroom. And the tile in the bathroom matches the countertops pretty well. Double sink, his and hers. In the shower, standalone, it has the bench that's a place. Overhead rain shower. And then here's the first closet. Oh. Okay. I like the lighting right here. This is a good lighting. Let's go upstairs. The light is. Oh, that ain't it. Hold on. So this will be one of the boys' rooms. These rooms have the double closet also. It goes all the way in. Boom, boom. And then same thing on this side. Another living area up here. Another closet. And then this would probably be like for entertainment center or like a bar area. And then this is the second upstairs bedroom. So again, another room for one of the boys. This will probably be Micah. But he only has one closet. So it has the L closet because this one is in the corner. And then this one has the bathroom. So same finishes as the downstairs bathroom. Same shower concept. They have the thing where they could put all their body products. The sink area. Yeah. Toilet. Only thing I would probably change in here is the tub, because I prefer like a garden style tub. It's really long in length, but I don't know. I just don't like the look of it. Oh, and then you have the laundry room whenever you head back out to the backyard, and there's 2 exit points or entry points to get back here. So you have the one through the laundry room and then the one directly through the living room. So backyard, pretty big. And then we have like the little brick wall here and the gate that separates the driveway from the actual yard. And then I don't know if I can go through here. I don't know if it's locked or not. Yeah, I think it is. Oh wait, yeah. But the garage is detached, which you can kind of see through there. It's pretty spacious. We already got to go in, but of course for the first walkthrough I didn't record anything. Let me see how the yard wraps around, because it's something I would need to know if we would need to like. Okay, so boom, it's fenced off, so I could literally let the boys back here and just let them go, which is a plus. I would feel better about this. So yeah. Oh, also the door by the laundry room has a doggy door, so that's a plus. Okay, y'all, so back in the car. Well, it's been a couple of hours since I went to go look at the house, so I just had to sit on my thoughts so that I can make sure I'm being like 100% transparent and everything with y'all. So I actually do really like the house. Like, I really do think it's a great house for a family. Like I feel like it's safe for Micah and Jace. Like, I love how like the yard is fenced in. Like, I could literally just let them outside and not have to worry about like their safety, as long as like the yard is treated for bugs and all that, because if it's a bug, they not safe because I can't save them. But yeah, so overall I really do like the house. The only like things that I don't like are like minor or cosmetics, and that can always be changed, as y'all can see, because the house was built in, I think she said 1975, but it doesn't look like it. Now, another thing, I asked her if the house is on a floodplain or if it's ever been flooded. She said it's only flooded once, out of the 50 something years that it's been there, however many years, and that was during Hurricane Harvey back in 2017. And she said like the foundation and everything has been redone since then, and of course all the renovations that went into it. So that's a thing, because who's to say that like another hurricane can't come through that's even worse than Harvey? Then we just SOL, like with a house that's full of water and we're responsible for it. But yeah, so like I have a few things to think about. I am going to continue looking at like some other houses, just because I know I'm not like move-in ready at this exact moment, but I need to know what I like and like what my price point is going to be, so I know what I'm working with as far as like a down payment, closing costs, those types of things. So this is honestly just the beginning of the journey. I will definitely be bringing y'all along with me to look at more houses in the future as I find more that I like, because if I can look at the house and tell that I don't like it, I'm not going to waste my time going to look at it in person. So any house that I'm actually going to look at is definitely like it's in consideration for actual, like, if I'm gonna go look at a house, it's because I would actually consider it being my home. So y'all are not going to see me going to look at houses just because, like, if it's not even something that I would want to move into, I'm not gonna go look at it. So that is it for this video. If y'all have like any questions about like the home buying process, or if there's something that y'all would actually like me to bring y'all along with, like everything behind the scenes, because looking at the houses is the easy part. Like finding what you like is the easy part. You have to go in, you have to know like if you're going to use a lender, what lender are you going to use, how big of a loan can you get, you have to make sure your credit is good, income, like there's a few different things that go into it. I'm still learning, of course, but I feel like me learning and actually going through the process can help somebody else. So if that's something that y'all want me to take y'all along with me for, if that's something y'all want me to take y'all along with me for, then just let me know so I can keep y'all in the loop and kind of give y'all updates and let y'all know what's going on. Any tips and tricks that I learned along the way, that way, you know, if you're getting ready to buy a home soon, you kind of have, you know, some tips and tricks that you can use. So thank y'all so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already, and I will see y'all tomorrow for Vlogmas Day. Bye y'all.